like a chain all the way to you. Locked on your door with heart in my hands to ask you a question, 'cause I know that you're no fashion man. Hey, can I have a daughter for the